Hello everyone and welcome back. Um, I don't know what to do. Okay, so I don't have a lot of time today to do something, but I thought that maybe I could draw my Animal Crossing character. I don't know. uh, I play Animal Crossing. I really like this game. I mean, it's not very challenging and you just have to talk to villagers and stuff like that, so it's not scary. And I really don't like scary video games. I can't play them. The last time I played a scary video game, it was Resident Evil, the first one on the PlayStation 1. So it's been a while, but I don't know, like at the beginning of the game when you are in the corridor and there are that zombie in the office, he ate me, and I was screaming and I like threw the I don't know the word, the joystick. I threw the joystick away, like I can't play this. It's way too much stressing for me. So give me The Sims, give me Animal Crossing, give me, I don't know, like Unravel and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought that why not draw my character. So let's do this, and maybe I will draw the rest of them. I recently had like a cute little penguin with an aviator, aviator, aviator costume. It is very cute. So maybe I will do that in a future video. We'll see. So here's the drawing, only ink and watercolors. So that's what I look like for the moment in Animal Crossing. I will try to put a picture of the actual character in the video, and maybe I will do like kind of chaotic island tour because my island is a dump. So I think I will do that. So that's me, and in front of my house, so you can see all the things on the floor because I am like that. I am messy. That's my house, so you can see stuff everywhere, like the bed. Um, that's a little room with cute things in it. Look at that. I'm dancing. Then let's go to the bedroom. So I have an hamster and some weird dolls and a panda bear. You can see all the things, the hamster. And then I have like another room all Halloween theme because I win that at Halloween time. You can see the the floor and the rug and stuff like that. So yeah, that's not pretty. I mean, I'm not very good at decorating space. You can see that. And so we will see my beach. So all the mess. And I have a little lounge space with cakes and coffee. I have a dog in. Yeah, I like to go there to just chill next to the sea, and I have like a witch place, like when I can summon demons if I want. And that weird guy that is taking a nap or something, I have a skeleton. Yeah, I like to do that. And then all the mess everywhere, because when I don't have enough space in my pockets, I put the things on the ground. So yeah, everything is here. That's my buddy. I really like that character. She's very nice. Another space in the beach with like a little chair to chill next to the fire. And I have like, I don't remember the name in English, so I will put it somewhere. A Nook's Cranny, some Halloween decor, that like to sing a lot all by herself. I am happy. You can see, yeah, I'm dancing, yeah. That's nice. I have my pumpkin space here, the road to the plain stuff, some mushrooms everywhere, or some like another beach with all the things to go to the sport. So that weird dude asked me a new name, so I used to give them like Seinfeld quotes or names, but I don't know what to do, so I just give him that sexy name. And I don't know if you saw that, but I have like a quote of from Lost on the Beach that says, "Not penis boat." I thought it was funny. So that's, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm waiting for something. Okay, so another pumpkin area, and I have the museum there. I have like a cat bar, cat coffee shop. I don't know, like when you can play with cats and eat coffee. Well, eat coffee. Okay, drink coffee. And so that the campsite. I have another like secret beach area when you can chill and listen to music. And yeah, so I have flowers everywhere. I think it's pretty. And I was doing like some rustic, like countryside cottage vibe. So yeah, but it's basically a dump. I mean, I put stuff everywhere on the ground, and I have like that outlander area when I can traverse through time and space when I want to see Jamie. um, yeah, so I have like tulips everywhere. I don't know what to do on the island, so when I have an idea, I try to do it, and then I get tired of it, so I just stop. And I have like that little Italian restaurant, and I have also like that Home Depot slash, plant store when you can buy some plants and insects and stuff. And I try to do like a music school, but I'm not very happy with it because the villagers don't go there. So, and then we have that weird looking Disneyland for the poor area. Like when you don't have enough money to go to Disneyland and you're like, I want to go somewhere, and you buy tickets from that weird playground, and it's like a nightmare. That's a kind of vibe I was doing there. So yeah. Playground on the beach, trees. I wanted to keep the nature on my island, and I was trying like to do a theater space when you can watch movies, but I got tired of it, so I didn't finish it. And that was my island. I hope you like this video. As usual, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can go to elphilep2art. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put a thumbs up if you like the content. Uh, and well, if you want to let a comment, you can. And well, see you soon. Bye.